Hey, thank you for checking out EnvioClean. Well, what this is about is air pollution, global warming, and alternative energies. A few years back, I started to think, we're going to be in serious problems with this air pollution and climate control. So I started thinking, well, what's the major contributor? Cars, trucks. And I came up with an invention. It took me a couple of years, a lot of money, a lot of prototypes. And I finally got it. Okay, and what it is it's an exhaust bypass filter. It absorbs up to 90% of all the emissions that come out of a combustible engine. I have patent pending, opened the corporation. Everything we have, everything I'm about to show you, is all legal, legit, above board. Okay, I started thinking, well, what's the next major contributor? And obviously it's smokestacks. Okay, back to the drawing board, created a second invention. Okay, and that invention actually fits over a smokestack, does not allow any smoke or soot to leave that stack. And I change it into a reusable fuel. Okay? Another thing I could do with that smoke and soot is use it as a gasification process that will fuel a turbine and create electricity. So now we could give these smokestack users choice. One, we could use the smoke and soot as a reusable fuel, which will cut down on their amount of coal, or give them the option of fueling a turbine that'll create electricity, power up their plant, and they could sell back the extra to the grid. Another thing we could do is go one step further. Municipalities, towns, instead of taking the waste that would normally go into a landfill, don't do it. Let's burn it. Turn that into a gasification system that's going to create clean electricity, power the town. Okay? No smoke and soot leaves the plant. Like I said, it either gets into a gasification system or it turns into a reusable fuel, but it does not leave out my systems. Okay. The next thing I started thinking about is the clouds and climate control. Now, I look at them as a blanket that's holding the heat inside the planet. So I've invented 3 cloud cleaners. Okay? And they will solve the problem. Well, I went one step further. In theory, they may also solve hurricanes and tornadoes. Theory. I would need Congress behind me. I would need research and development. But there's no doubt in my mind we have the solutions. Okay, so now we said, let's go into alternative energies. And my first alternative energy is, you've heard the expression, you can't mix fuel and water? Not true. I can. I could change equal amounts, 50-50, home heating oil with an equal amount of water, or diesel fuel, equal amount of water, and make it burn as one fuel. Of course, we could change the percentages from 95 to 5, depending on the BTUs you're looking for. You can also create, which we have, hydrogen cells. Hydrogen on demand. You can make anything from 1 liter to 100 liters. Tell me what you want, we have the system. We could also go into solar, wind, wave. There's nothing stopping us but us. But this is what I need. I need investors. Now I'm going to show you how you investors are going to make your money back. My exhaust filter, for example. Okay? If you made $1 per exhaust filter, ask yourself, how many cars are on the planet? How many combustion engines are on the planet? 1 million? Billion? Okay? If you got $1 for every filter, you're a billionaire. Bingo, that's simple. Make your investment back in 1 year. Okay, now let's go further. I designed this filter to be changed between every 3,000 and 5,000 miles. That's every oil change. Now, are you a multi-billionaire? You got it, you are. Okay. On the emulsifier, okay, if you got $1 for every household, how many houses are on the planet? Do the math. Okay. Again, I was telling you about a gasification system that I have. Turn waste to clean electricity. Okay? The town pays us to take the waste. Town pays us to recycle all the precious metals, aluminum, copper. We get paid for that. Town pays us for the electricity we're supplying to the grid. You investors need to sit down and talk to me. Okay, we need you. Send emails. Tell your friends. Tell the news. Tell Congress. I would love to get in front of Congress and explain to them all our real solutions to air pollution, climate control, and alternative energies. And once again, patent pending, corporation, everything's above board, everything's legal, everything's legit, and more importantly, everything is real. Every one of my prototypes work, and all I need is you. I need you to help me help you. So, contact me, send me a message, EnvioClean1@yahoo.com. That's EnvioClean1@yahoo.com. Thanks. I'll wait to hear from you. Have a great day.